couple things on demo here. Number one is the ROG GX 1000 Eagle Eye mouse. This is a gaming grade mouse that actually the first time I picked it up, it felt quite heavy, and I wasn't 100% certain about it, but then I kind of touched it and went, oh, this is cool. This is one of the most elegant systems I've yet seen for a removable weight system. So you've got up to 5 different 5-gram weights that you can put in or take out of the mouse. You've also got 6 fully programmable buttons. So there are 3 on the side. This is where I personally find them most accessible. 2 on the top for the left and right click, as well as a little scroll wheel. You can see here that the mouse is illuminated, both at the back, as well as on the top. So the scroll wheel illumination doesn't do anything, but these ones right here indicate the sensitivity settings. And this one is going to be available pretty much immediately. It's got a couple of different colors you can get in it, some more like a silver armor finish or more like kind of like a dark knight sort of black finish. And this one right here is pretty cool because it's totally a prototype. This is not finished at all. This is an ROG Armor keyboard. As you might expect, it's using Cherry NX switches like any serious gaming keyboard should be doing these days. They say the final design is going to use Cherry NX red switches, and they actually change around a fair bit in terms of how it works. Like right now, the wrist rest isn't really attached to anything. Personally, I like the design they have for the wrist rest right now because it's a very wide wrist rest, which particularly for people like my wife, she finds it very uncomfortable, not necessarily for gaming, but to type on a keyboard that doesn't have that proper wrist support. Let's face it, even the most hardcore gamers don't sit and do nothing but play video games when they're using their computers. So guys, our trivia show here is powered by NCIX. Don't miss any of our other videos by making sure to subscribe to both NCIX Tech Tips and Linus Tech Tips. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to NCIX.